Hey, what's up guys, it's me George again here with another quick video, and I have for you a nice unboxing of a very nice lens that I just got for my A6000. So I was looking for a portrait lens, and some of the options that I was looking for, I stumbled upon the 35mm 1.8 from Sony and the 50mm 1.8 from Sony as well, and I like them, but they were a little bit expensive for the use that I'm going to give it to this camera. So I found this great alternative that is from Sigma, the 60mm f2.8 DN art lens. So this is like half the price of the 35mm f1.8. Yeah, I believe so. This is around $235 on Amazon right now, and I got this from eBay as a review unit. For way cheaper, like 160 or 170, still new. But so let's take a look at the unboxing of this lens and see what's inside. Hey, what's up guys? Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside the box. So as we can see in here, it says Sigma on the front, 60mm f2.8D, and this is like their version for the Sony line, and this is like their cheap or inexpensive budget version. This has a filter size of 46mm, and this is an art version lens, so it is depending on the design of the lens. So on the side we say for our Sony E-mount, this is the black version. They also have it in silver. Just again, all the information, back as well. On the side the same, and on the top Sigma. So now let's get it open. So here inside the box we have a very nice pouch, travel bag of sorts. So let's put this to the side, see what else is inside. Okay, so on the bottom of the box we have a lot of documentation. So we have the warranty sticker already put into the warranty card. This is the warranty card. Okay, what else? Okay, so some like instructions, or like message from Sigma. We have the America's limited warranty card. In this case, this also has warranty, and like an instruction manual. Yeah, this is instruction. So this lens does come with a lens hood supposedly. So let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so here is the pouch. As you can see, it says it's Sigma branded. Zippered pouch, like soft pouch with some padding inside. So have like a belt clip on the back. So now let's get this unzipped. On the inside you have some padding right in here, as you can see. And here we have the lens itself, which is pretty tiny. On the bottom some more padding. It's also removable, some nice padding. So you can throw this in your bag and not worry about it at all. Okay, so the lens is pretty tiny. I didn't expect it to be so tiny. So this is the lens hood. It's a plastic lens hood, I believe so, yeah. So it says here in and out, and here it says serial number, and somewhere it says, oh, Sigma is like just like carved right in there. Let's put this to the side, and this is the whole lens, which is a pretty nice size and weight for the lens itself, because like the Sony mirrorless line, like A6000 and stuff like that, which is pretty tiny. So this is pretty nice finish, a glossy finish, just like the body of the A6000. So it will blend pretty well with it. So up top we have the lens cap, which is like center pinch. Here we have the front element. You can see the aperture plates, and here it says, let me get a closer on. It says 60mm f2.8 DN filter, thread size 46mm, made in Japan. Very nice, sturdy front element cap. This is the whole focusing ring, which doesn't have any rubber, it's just metal, but feels pretty nice. Here we have the embossed Sigma, the code number, and some information. The minimum focusing distance is 0.5 meters, and the back cap says Sigma for E-mount. Here we have full contacts and full control over the body itself. It says the A for the Art series, and just where you can connect to the camera. So yeah, so that is what's inside the box of the Sigma 60mm f2.8 DN lens. So let's mount it on, let's compare it to the kit lens of the A6000, the 16 to 50mm. Okay, so you can see this is the size of it without some caps. Let me take out the caps for this one. So as we can see, it's almost twice as long as a kit lens in a compact form, but when it extends, it almost reaches the size of the 60mm. So still a pretty compact lens. I like the heft of it, as you can listen. It has a floating element in there, which whenever you connect it to the camera and turn it on, it will align it into place, so you can focus it like so, and it won't rattle. So this is the lens hood, so it attaches like in a twist motion, and you can still have access to the lens cap, which still feels like very solid lens. I like it very much. So yeah, this is a very budget version to the an option for if you're looking for portrait work in your Sony line. So this is with a full lens cap without the lens hood. This is the floating element, and when you turn it on, it won't rattle. So yeah, as you can see, you saw the aperture opening to f2.8, which I was looking for a great option. It will still autofocus with the center point. So yeah, it uses a lot of the same center points to focus with the lens. So this is a very nice option if you're looking to save up some money on your lenses. You're looking for a budget option for doing some portrait work. I'll be doing some tests and try out this lens, so I will be posting some of the results right here in the video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so this was a quick unboxing and first impressions for the Sigma 60mm f2.8 DN lens for the Sony mirrorless system. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.